AI modeling, video management point of view. From an image management perspective, this choropleth map is designed to visually represent data distribution across different countries effectively. Key aspects include, this is very important to plot offices across the globe for AI projects. 1. Contrast and readability. The dark background enhances contrast, making the map and text more visible. 2. Color encoding. The color gradient, from purple to red, efficiently conveys impact scores, ensuring easy differentiation. 3. Legend inclusion. The color bar on the right helps in understanding impact scores across regions. 4. Data labeling. The title explicitly describes the map's purpose, highlighting AI mathematical foundation's impact by country. 5. Geospatial representation. The world map ensures geographic accuracy and proper placement of country-wise impact data. Mathematical point of view. From a mathematical standpoint, the choropleth map is a visual representation of a dataset using a color map to encode numerical values. Key aspects include: 1. Data normalization. The impact scores are mapped to a color gradient to show relative differences between countries. 2. Color mapping function. A continuous color scale, probably from Matplotlib's map, is used to transform numerical impact scores into colors. 3. Geospatial data analysis. The map visually encodes country-wise impact scores, allowing for comparative analysis. 4. Statistical distribution. The variation in impact scores across countries suggests underlying mathematical trends in AI research contributions. 5. Gradient interpretation. The transition from blue, low, to red, high, represents the increasing impact of AI mathematical foundations in different nations.